it's Miss Wallace and Presley, and today we are going to do an artwork that deals with symmetry. Today we are going to make this cute girl with her earbuds.
So cute.
And we are not drawing the whole part of her.
We're only going to be drawing half, because we're going to show you how to make your picture symmetrical.
Yeah.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do we need for this project, Presley?
Oh, we are going to need a pencil.
Okay.
A Sharpie.
Okay.
And if you have any paper at home, use that. And any coloring supplies.
Perfect. Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Alright. So first, we need to make sure your paper is going up and down. Okay? And then you're going to fold it equally. Make sure the side is equal.
So this is a hot dog fold.
Yeah. Or like a taco.
Or like a taco. Delicious. You're making me hungry. Alright, so like this. So if I put it back this way, got it. Alright. Alright everybody, so we're going to start with the girl's head. So you want to keep your paper open, but everyone go ahead and lightly draw a line down your fold. And that line is going to help remind you not to cross over. Wow, I'm having a hard time drawing that line. Alright, so that line's going to tell me to stop. Don't go past it. Here we go. We're going to draw half the head. Here we go. Half the head. Ready, Presley?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm going to start like kind of in the middle.
Yes. So I'm going to make a line that curves. And it's going to go up like that. You know what? We're going to keep going. Go up and curve back over. But you know what? When you curve back over, don't make it like sharp. You kind of want to make it come up a little bit. Because that's actually the top of her head. So if we're making it symmetrical, we don't want it to be too weird. I'm actually going to flatten out right down at the bottom here to kind of show where her chin would be too. We're going to go in and make her have a cute little smile. So when I do this smile, I'm going to make it look like this. Just a really simple little smile. And then we're going to go in and we're going to work on her eye. So you want to make a big eye right here. Big circle. You know what? We're going to zoom in a little bit on mine and Presley's artwork. And then you want to go in and we're going to put a curved line at the bottom like this. And then there's some straight lines that kind of divide that up. We're going to add the color there, the color of her eye. And then these are the reflection of light. The light hits her eye. And then go ahead with your pencil, go ahead and color in the bigger circle, but keep the little ones empty. Keep them white. And then of course we're going to have to give her some cute little eyelashes. Make her look so fancy. So we're going to just add, I guess just a couple. So I'm going to go 1, 2. Okay. Alright, and then let's go ahead and draw her ear. Her ear is going to just, for right now, let's just draw a curve. Just a curve. And then we're going to work on her hair. So she's going to have a piece of hair that's kind of loose in the front. So we're going to start, I guess, let's see here. Here. And I'm going to make a line that comes up, comes down towards the eye, and kind of flips. It's like what they would call a snake line or an S line. And then what you want to do is you want to make another one just like that next to it. And then it comes to a point. Okay. And then since we're done with that, we can finish her eyebrow, because if you look, it's going to go into the hair. And then she's going to have her hair in like, what are those called? What is this? Like a little
hair buns?
Like a messy bun kind of thing. But she'll end up having 2 instead of just the 1. So that's kind of simple. It's just kind of like a circle or oval shape.
And you kind of want to make like a little curve to it to make it like look it's real.
What's that? Like that? Maybe? Small lines in it. It's all wrapped up. I'm all about the messy hair. Okay, that looks really good. Okay. Okay, so Presley and I just drew this little line here for the neck, and now we're going to work on her jacket. She's kind of got like a pullover jacket. So we're going to go in and, let's see here. You know what, before we do that, let's draw a line here to show where her shirt is. It's kind of like a collared shirt, so I'm going to put 2 lines, and then we can connect it here. That way we know where the jacket kind of comes out. So we're going to start here. I'm going to make this little curve. Okay. And then we can come down, and I'm going to stop right about here. Good. And then you're just going to come up and touch that right there. Okay. And then we're going to make this line come down, and it's going to touch our line of symmetry. Okay, good. And then this line is this actually would be like the zipper part. So we're going to just kind of trace over that part a little bit just to remind us that that's actually a part of her jacket. And then I'm going to come over. Okay, now we're actually going to come back up here so we can add her arm in. So let's go right about here, and we're going to, make a curved line down. Well, we could just make it touch, couldn't we? I think we could. And then the other side of her arm would be here, and then here. But we're going to make her hands look like they're disappearing into her pocket, her front pocket. So we're going to draw a curved line there. Remember, if Preston and I are going too fast, y'all can pause the video. Right, Preston? Mm-hmm. Well, let's put another little line here, give it some definition. Alright. And then let's go in, we can add some little wrinkles right here to make it look like her, like a crease. Alright, and I guess down underneath it, we can go in and make like a rectangle shape. Like it's kind of snug right there around her waist. Alright, so we're done with her jacket and her shirt, so now we're going to move on to her pants. So we're going to come back over to this rectangle, and we're going to make a line that goes down. Now these are her legs, so don't make them too short, but don't make them too long. Okay, try to make it equivalent to her body. And then we're just going to go over just a little bit. And then back up. And you're going to notice it almost has like a triangle type of look to it even. And then we're just going to go over to that line. Okay. And then we're going to put her leg right here. So we're going to put 2 lines going down. So teeny tiny. And then her shoe. Now her shoe is going to look kind of like a trapezoid shape, but it's rounded off. Kind of like a Converse shoe is kind of what she's wearing. So we're going to add a curved line here to here. And then where her laces would be, we're going to add a line here and here, makes it look like a rectangle. And then the X's. You're going to beat me so fast. Okay, so we're done drawing her. So all you guys have to do now is keep using your pencil, and you want to trace really hard. Push down really hard with your pencil on top of your pencil lines. Okay? Alright, so Presley and I are done tracing everything really hard. You don't need to trace this line down the middle hard except for the part of her jacket where the zipper is. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we need to fold our paper. We want this to come over to here. So this is like a magic trick. So you're going to fold your paper over. And when you fold it over, you should be able to see the back of your girl. Okay, do you see yours, Presley?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now this is the part we're going to use our Sharpie, but we're not going to use it to actually trace. We're going to use it to rub. If you don't have a Sharpie at home, that's okay. Just find something that has a hard edge that's kind of rounded that won't tear your paper. But you're going to go and you are trying to rub on top of all those pencil marks. You got to push down hard, people. One, two, three. Ooh, say what? How awesome is that? It works. It is symmetrical because we rubbed off this side, it rubbed off over here, and you have your line of symmetry. So all Presley and I need to do now is just go back over this with pencil if we want, or you can skip that part. If you can see it really well, then you can go ahead and trace everything with a Sharpie and then start adding your color.
Head, like you can erase the line down the middle, which I'm going to do. Or you could add a soccer ball. Or like we said, you can go add the earbuds. I'm going to add the earbuds. So I'm going to start with a pencil. I'm going to make a little circle on the side. And then right here, you're going to make a wiggly line. Comes through her jacket. And is going to come all the way through her pocket over here. Okay, now you're going to do the other side, which is going to come over here and connect there. Okay? Then you can trace it with Sharpie. But I'm also going to add a nose because I have a little space right there, so I'm going to use that.
And make my eyebrows a little bit longer. Yeah, I like the idea of adding maybe a soccer ball, or maybe it's a volleyball, or maybe a softball and a bat or something.
If you have anything you want to add that makes it look more like you can add it.
Awesome.
So, but I'm going to add a soccer ball.
Great idea. So when we get done adding all these extras, let's go ahead, everybody, and trace all that too with Sharpie. And then once we all get done, then you guys pick, like Presley said, if you have any coloring things at home, it could be crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you've got, you guys can go ahead and add color to it.
Alright, are y'all ready?
Ready.
Boosh.
How did you do that background so quickly?
Let's just say I have a hidden talent for doing things really fast behind me.
Oh my stars. That was so fast, but I love the background that you added. Look at that. That's awesome.
And you can add a background too.
I need to.
Okay.
I'm encouraged by you now. Hope you guys had fun. And
yeah, just show us your artwork online or something.
okay. Bye.
Bye.